How to make money fast. Quit your job by Tuesday. This is what a professional looks like.
Things you should do. And the one thing you shouldn't. That's killing your game. Stop scrolling. If you don't watch this right now, the algorithm will bury you forever. You are losing money every second you ignore this.
Is your man performing at 100% in bed?
OMG guys, this supplement changed my skin, my hair, and my bank account. Doctors are shocked.
You're not tired. You're just uninspired. Wake up at 3 a.m. Grind while they sleep. If you're not hustling, you're dying. This is the only way to be a true...
They don't want you to know this secret. I made $10,000 in 1 hour using this one weird trick. Link in the bio before it gets taken down. How to be an entrepreneur. How to be a freelancer. Why are you still single? Why is your business failing? It's because your lack of mindset. Buy my course, Fix Your Life, or stay effective forever. Are you doing it wrong? Everyone else is succeeding except you. What is wrong with you? Click here to fix your inadequacy.
If you want your audience to grow,
Comment below.
You literally need this to survive.
$100
By Tuesday, this is what a professional looks like.
Let's talk. Productivity, community health, and profitability. It's hard to get right. Just one declaration alone can ruin the cohesiveness. I'm Professor Farrell. If you're tired of hearing about something, then you're in the right place. This channel isn't about following trends, it's about building architecture. We're going to cover these three things, but not in the usual way they are discussed. Forget speed, forget checkboxes. This is a holistic view on productivity. It isn't about how fast you work, it's about the health of the system doing the work. It's the seamless link between the team's dynamic, your design intent, and the final reality. If your process burns out the people, it isn't productive. It's just expensive. We're going to measure the success by the quality of the outcome and the capacity of the team to do it again tomorrow. That leads us directly into the second point, community health. You can't build a great product with a broken team. Community health isn't just vibes. True team health requires structural integrity, not just amenities. It's the critical infrastructure of your success. It's the dynamic mix of individual well-being, trauma, habits, stress, and robust social connectivity. If your community lacks cohesion, your project lacks fuel. We're going to treat the social health not as a soft skill, but as a hard engineering required to sustain growth. And finally, where it all lands. Strategenic profitability. Profit is not a residual result to be calculated, but a structural outcome to be engineered. True holistic profitability architecture occurs only when your internal business model is perfectly aligned with your external market. Resonance making. Profit is inevitable. Natural cohesion of a system designed to work rather than a target you chase. When your branding, your utility, your operations are all singing the same song, profit isn't something that you pursue. It's a natural output of a system that functions correctly. We're going to study these architectures together, not to memorize them, but to collaborate on them. I could sit here and lecture you all day, but a prototype beats a pitch deck every time. That's why this channel works differently. I don't do the work for you. I prepare offline, coding, modeling, designing, so that my findings are presentation ready. This ensures we skip the silent grind and start immediately with the tangible result to analyze. Collaborate. We meet on a live stream. This is where I walk you through why behind the what, breaking down decisions and logic in real time. We don't just watch and reply. We dissect the architecture together. Solidify. We transform those live interactions into lasting resources. Raw interaction is edited into focused tutorials and standalone guides, turning our shared journey into a permanent library of high-value insights. While this 3-step workflow is standard, I remain flexible. As projects grow in complexity, I may expand this architecture, integrating new platforms or adjusting our workflow to serve the work best. I'll try to communicate shifts clearly so nothing ever feels random. Every change is deliberate, optimized for our system. I don't want an audience. I want collaborators. If you're ready to build systems that are productive, healthy, and truly profitable, join the live stream. Bring your ideas, let's break them down and build something real. For updates and general information, visit the community page. Click the link, join the chat, let's get to work. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below.